Mendocino crew car life, bro.
This is sick.
It's gonna be wicked, man.
Arrow 278, left 270 departure approved, outer below 1000 until overhead midfield, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff. 0 Sierra Alpha.
You got your seatbelt on and everything?
Seatbelt fastened.
Cool.
Hayward Tower, Arrow 75278, holding short 28 left at Alpha, ready for left cross and departure, shoreline transition.
Arrow 75278, Hayward Tower, stand by.
Stand by, 278.
Arrow 75278, make a left cross and departure, remain below 1000 until the shoreline, runway 28 left at Alpha, clear for takeoff.
28 left at Alpha, clear for takeoff, left cross and departure approved, outer below 1000 until the shoreline, 75278.
Alright, and the runway's clear on both sides. Going to the back of it. You know, when you pay for the whole runway, you gotta use the whole runway, basically.
Hell yeah, dude.
Brakes hold. Close that. 2,000 RPMs. Engine instruments are all green, and let's go. Airspeed's alive. Power is coming in. Full power. Airspeed's alive.
Good afternoon, Columbia.
Engine instruments green.
Inbound, full stop with November.
60 knots.
Columbia 799 Echo, Hayward Tower, roger, make straight in, runway 28 left.
Straight in, 28 left, Columbia 799 Echo.
Positive rate, the runway.
Cessna 2 Charlie Romeo, cross runway 28 right at Delta, and contact ground point 4.
Cross 28 right at Delta, and then over ground 1214, 2 Charlie Romeo.
Cessna 40
Notice how our performance drastically improved after I put the gear up.
Oh, gears up. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Felt it.
Arrow 278, contact Oakland Tower.
Oakland Tower, see ya, 278.
And engine's just still green.
Oakland Tower, Arrow 75278, just up Hayward 500.
75278 Oakland Tower, right down, altimeter 2995, continue via the shoreline, remaining south of the extended center line, runway 30.
2995, remain south of the extended 30 center line, 75278.
278 radar contact, half mile south west of Hayward at 800, thanks.
Alright.
Beautiful, dude.
900 feet. That was the quickest I've ever gotten a shoreline, especially on a busy day like that.
Yeah.
So check this out. So we're about to come through 1,000 feet.
Okay.
This manifold pressure gauge right here. I'm going to bring that back to 25. Very slow on the power, always in this airplane.
Very smooth, okay.
And notice that the power doesn't really change at all, like the RPM, until we pull this back to 25. And the TAC reads a RPM high, so we'll just do 26. And we're getting our good performance now. Climb at like
100 miles an hour, dude.
100 knots, yeah. So it's weird, we get miles per hour and knots. Knots on the end.
Oh, I didn't
miles
notice
per hour
that.
on the
That's
outside.
sick. Yeah, it's got the miles per hour and the knots on there.
Here, dude, go ahead and when this turns on, you just press the top button. Film the Oakland airport, it looks cool.
Alright. What is that, top button?
Yeah, just a little top button. And it'll make a little beep and then go.
Alright.
Alright, we're gonna do 1900 for the time being. Yeah, that always looks so cool.
November 278. Contact NorCal person 120.9. Good day.
120.9, see ya, 278.
Here we go. This is the staticky one.
south 1431, contact NorCal 125.35 today.
2535, southwest 1431, good day. NorCal, Aero 75278, 1900 for 8,500.
75278, NorCal approach show, navigation, what altitude are you requesting?
We're looking for 8,500.
And November 278, clear to the Bravo, 8,500.
Clear to the Bravo, 8,500, 75278.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
And November 518, Mike Victor, clear to John Wayne Airport. From present position, you can proceed direct to Fellows, and then Candy 5 direct.
I guess they're going to give us 127.8 next.
You can expect 330 as your flight.
Alright, we can get into our climb posture now. Feet off the rudders. Put all this shit away. We're chilling, man. Dude, that looks
Mike
epic.
Victor, contact Oakland Center, 119.75. Have a good flight.
19.75, have a good day. 500 Mike Victor.
42 Mike, contact Oakland Tower, 118.3, just let them know you have Zulu.
Okay, Oakland Tower, good day, 42 Mike.
Good. See if I can get like the fingers coming in here, really nice. Try to go.
That's called a finger?
Oh no, the fingers of the marine of the advection pod.
Never heard that before, that's cool.
The fingers? Just
Yeah.
came up with it, dude. It's not real.
Alright, no, it's real now, dude. I'm going to start using that. Hashtag fingers, bro.
Hell yeah.
So it's going to blow us down the coast a little bit, actually.
Got a nice headwind.
On my way back from Shelter Cove that time when I did the Little River Shelter Cove, we got 174 over the ground.
Wow.
You do 125 indicated cruise, and then we got 174 over the ground. It was really nice.
That's wild. Bravo here in a little bit. Contact Oakland Center, 127.8 today.
Acting the Bravo soon over to Oakland Center, 127.8, 278. See ya.
Dude, I love saying see ya.
Cleared contact approach, Petaluma.
Such great radio language.
Petaluma, 23 kilo.
Oakland Center, Aero 75278, 4,000 for 8,500. Number 75278, Oakland Center, the Yukai altimeter 29906. 9906, 278.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. So, pretty soon here, this power, we're going to have to put it all the way up to get our manifold, because we're climbing through 5,000 soon. So I'll just put it up right now, actually, and watch. That's it. That's where the manifold hits the wall. So now we're at full power.
All right.
And we're going to watch our performance slowly diminish as it loses its will. Alright, we're going to pitch over here.
All right.
85. Manifolds is definitely underachieving today. Still pull some power back. We'll give it 21, why not? Start trimming the big guy forward. I guess we're going to get about 120, 125 indicated about in this cruise.
Automated weather observation 2-3-1-3 Zulu. Wind 270 at
Alright, landing 29.
visibility more than 10.
70 at 9.
Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 10 Celsius. Altimeter 2 inches of mercury.
Alright, so what we're going to do is what I did the last couple times I've been here is we're going to go ahead and
Weather
start
observation
to set now.
3-1-3 Zulu.
So pump's coming on, I'll just pull some power out, let it descend.
Visibility more
I'm
than.
going to go around the field, fly over, and then enter my left down for 29.
10.
Yeah.
So I'll brief the approach real quick. On the downwind and beam the numbers, I put the gear down. The props come in on short final. The mixture comes in as required, and the power is always as required. Flaps, I do the gear before I do the flaps, because if the gear doesn't come down, I want to be able to get out of there and troubleshoot it.
Right.
Yeah, that's basically it. Also, you can extend the gear at a higher speed than you can the flaps. I mean, we could extend the gear now. We're slow enough.
Little River traffic, Aero 75278, about 10 miles to the east, going to come around and overfly the field 2,600 feet and make a teardrop for left traffic, 29, full stop, Little River traffic.
Yeah, it's going to be an interesting approach. Alright, zoom this back in. This is my means of measurement. It's right here. I just followed.
Like that. Yeah, it's
Make my call at the line. We're going for 2,600 over the field, so start turning in now.
Little River traffic, or 75278, 5 to the north. Going to overfly the field at 2,600 feet and make a teardrop for left traffic to 29, full stop, Little River traffic. Forward brag.
Marina traffic, jumpers away at Marina, look out below, jumpers away at Marina, look
See,
out
the guy in Marina always says look out below when he releases his jumpers.
Look out below.
Go ahead and turn this bad boy on. I'll do the other one when we get closer in. So I'm just riding power settings all the way. Basically at 2,600, I'm just going to bump it back to 21 manifolds, and it'll level itself off. And honestly, I might not even have to do that. I might just keep descending because we're kind of high. But we'll see what happens. Go ahead and bug 29 and the thing. Alright, I guess we made it to our altitude, so go ahead and put the manifold back in.
Little River traffic, 75278, overflying the field, 2,600 feet, and we're going to go out a bit and make teardrop left traffic. 29, full stop, Little River traffic.
Alright, and there's the field. Start bringing it down again to 1,600. Make sure it's coming full rich at the low altitude. Go out over the coast a bit and I'll make a right turn for that left traffic. Seatbelts on and everything?
Seatbelts on.
Solid.
Dude, they got a geodesic dome. Must be like a yurt, probably an Airbnb. Whoa, dude, that's a sick pond. Damn, these people are living rich.
They're living large, man. All right, second landing light's coming on.
Oh, dude, that's a castle, totally a castle. Little River traffic, 75278, making right teardrop for left 45 to downwind, left downwind, 29, Little River traffic.
Little River traffic, Cherokee 71 Lima departing 29. Little River will be making left downwind departure.
Nice. Good old Cherokee friends. Alright, here's where the flying gets real again, and we're not just fucking around at 8,000 feet.
Yeah. Little River traffic, 75278, left 45 to downwind, 29, Little River.
Dude, right here it always gets bumpy. At Little River, always bumps up right here when it's windy. Alright, bring some of that power back in, but not all of it, because we want to keep the airplane going a little slower. I always keep the speed up in this airplane, but, you know.
Little River traffic, 75278, left downwind, 29, got the Cherokee in sight, Little River traffic.
Alright, I beam the numbers, landing gear down, gears in transit, there's the transit light. 3 green lights, so we're good. Alright, flaps 1 in the wide arc. Kind of cutting it a little bit close to that runway. Not a big deal. Below over our pattern altitude, get that back. Alright.
Little River traffic, 75278, left base, 29, Little River traffic. Oh, well, there's Little River.
Yeah, there's the Little River. The big river's up to the north. Alright, bring some of that power back. Flaps deuce.
Boom.
3 greens.
Yeah, I like that hand operated flap.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Seems a lot better than the motor.
Yeah, because you can lose your alternator and still have flaps.
Right, exactly.
You won't have your gear though, you gotta do the free fall. Alright, and props can come full forward, little high, 29 confirmed, 3 greens. Go ahead and bring in that full flaps now. Fuel pump, landing light, strobes, prop mixture's full. Landing at 3 green lights. Power is required. Flaps are full. We're not going to go below our minimum maneuvering speed of 80 knots.
Little River traffic, Aero 75278, short final, 29, full stop, Little River traffic.
Alright, final 3 greens, check. No gear in safe flight, 3 green lights. Solid. G9.
Little River traffic, Aero 75278, rolling out, 29, Little River traffic.
Go ahead and exit Bravo. I've never done that before. I always seem to go to the end when I fly here. So I forget that there's like one taxiway I turn off, and then it's like, oh, here we go.
Full stop taxi back.
Now I'm going to turn the engine off and get out for a little bit. If we can park somewhere, that'd be great.
Yeah, there's a shiny Mooney.
Little River traffic, Aero 75278, clear the runway, taxi to the ramp. Little River traffic.
Alright, fuel pump can come off. Strobes can come off.
Yeah, we got some backcountry over
We got
here.
182 with the Tundra tires, bro.
Dude, that's sick.
Let's go park next to our Cherokee friend right here. I love fiber Cherokees.
This is a cool airport, man.
Yeah.
Like surreal. Got all this, you see all this pampas grass, I guess it's called? Pampas?
Yeah, I don't know what it's called.
Non-native, super invasive.
Yeah, I know that also the ice plant's pretty bad.
Real bad. It's like,
That was a dumb idea. Alright, gonna go ahead and turn the avionics off.